months of experimenting, exploring, discovering, discussing and learning through Anveshana at Prayoga. And today it all comes together. After months of research, 61 students across 20 projects present their work before an esteemed panel of scientists. Their projects span 5 thematic areas: green chemistry and technologies, advanced and functional materials, wellness, food and agriculture, and earth sciences. But Anveshana is about more than completing a research project. It is about learning to ask questions, investigate them, work with evidence, and apply scientific knowledge to address challenges that impact society. It is about learning not just the science, but also the confidence to present and defend their work, the clarity to articulate their ideas, and the ability to engage with questions and perspectives beyond their own. From their first experiment to this moment of presenting their findings, these 5 months have been a journey of curiosity, challenge, and discovery.
Before Anveshana, I did not know about science this much. Everything that we learn and do here is exceptional experience. Our project and Anveshana have now ended, but the teachings and learnings what we had here is immeasurable, and it has been a constant support by the Prayoga team and everyone.
Today, they stand before scientists not just as students who have completed a project, but as young researchers who have experienced what it means to think, question, and communicate like one. This is Anveshana 2026.
Anveshana for me was a very good experience, as it helped me in a lot of things that I got hands-on experience of the scientific concepts that I learned in school. Using those scientific concepts and actually applying them in the labs was one of the greatest things that I've ever done, and I feel very proud that I was able to do this at such a young age.
And this is where their first research journey comes together, and perhaps where many new ones begin.